Hi, my name is Riley Schulke, and I will be presenting my design choices for my infographic with you today. To start off, I've gone ahead and alternated which side of the infographic the graphs will appear on to maintain visual hierarchy. So what I mean by that is that the graphs are alternating sides throughout the entire thing, like so. Um, and so, visual hierarchy means the arrangement of elements in a way that implies a hierarchy of importance within a section. It is achieved by creating dominant, subdominant, and subordinate focal points using visual weight, size, and contrast and alignment. This then allows for the content portions of my infographic to support their accompanying graphs in the way that upholds visual appeal. So here's my content portions, or subordinate points in reference to the definition that I just provided. My infographic also holds alignment, which means that the elements are not scattered on the page, but they're arranged relative to a line or a margin. So you'll notice that my infographic either uses horizontal, well, it always uses horizontal alignment, but it's either 50%, 50%, like up here where it's pretty even across, or about 60%, 30%. So you'll see more proportion is taken up on the side and less on the side, or vice versa here. And that just depends on which graph and content is being considered. So the entirety of my infographic provides color harmony through my analogous color scheme. So color harmony means that the visual is experienced as presenting a sense of order through the color choices. So and then analogous colors are those found next to each other on the color wheel. So in this case, yellow, and orange is what we use here. And so here's orange yellow, and then yellow and orange are both featured in the back and in my icons. And then you'll notice that as far as the usage of complementary colors goes, which is the red, yellow, and blues, through that definition, we've got 60% of the yellow, and then 20% of the blue, and 10% of the red. So, yeah. If you have any questions, just let me know.